Hey guys, I want to welcome you to the channel. So today I decided to swap out my running lights on my Toyota Corolla 2012 for the CALAIS 9005 LED fog light bulbs size HB3. It has a 2400 luminant, 3000 yellow K, extremely super bright. It's $19.99 on Amazon. Okay, so I got the package for the lights. They came in from Amazon, and such a big box for such a small, but they look very nice. I mean, it's hard plastic. It looks like they protected the item very well with some styrofoam. So let's take a look at them. I like the way this opens. Terrific. Easy to open. It's a little very hard to pop them open myself. What's that this for? Got them open. It's not easy. Oh, okay, let's check it out. And so it came originally like this, and with foam around it. And let's see if I can describe it to you. The metal surrounding it, which is terrific. I mean, again, they can make it out of plastic, but they didn't. They're giving you metal. And looks like a very good quality light. Okay, it's going to be the same as before. I'm just going to turn the light counterclockwise. Pull it out. A little button here, you push down, and this whole thing just pops right out. Of course, you know, nothing ever goes good on camera. The bulb is hot. There we go. So this is going to be replaced with this. I'm going to give it a shot here. In clockwise.